Hi guys, so welcome to the video. I'll be making this very short. So this is a trade that I've been looking at the BTC markets for quite a while, and I've been trying to find a way to exploit the market using my strategy. And this is a trade I took on the 28th of August. Everything is paper trading. Everything I'll be showing here is paper trading. So this is a trade I took in August for 16 hours, right? Because immediately I took this trade, the next thing that came to my mind was to make a video on how I'm going to be taking trades like this moving forward. So but I didn't make it because I didn't know if I was going to be consistent with it. So I decided to trade the whole of September using my strategies, basically forward testing, right? So after this day, I went ahead to take maybe like 6 more trades. I don't know. I can't really pinpoint maybe six or not. So I took this trade and it was a loss, right? The first trade in September it was a loss, and then I took this also another loss. That's keeping our loss count at two for the month of September, 2 trades and 2 losses. And then I took this trade, one win, which was 13R 13.97. So let's say 3 trades now, 2 wins and 1 loss, right? And the accumulated R like that is say 11.97, right? And then moving forward, I think I took one trade around this place, and then immediately, I saw that it didn't follow my plan, and I immediately closed the trade. So that doesn't count. And I took this also. I think I took another loss, but I don't know. But let's keep going. So I took this. Oh, let me just put on the paper trading stuff so you guys can see. Paper trading connect. Yep. I still have one trade running. So yeah, as you can see, these let me just make it full screen. So these arrows signify entry. So this was my entry, was a sell trade, and this was my exit. Let's go back to the trades that I said I took. As you can see, I took this trade last month of or the last week of August. I took it, and then I took this one. It was a loss. Then this also was a loss. This was a win, 13.97. So like I said, yeah, can you see? I entered the trade immediately. I left the trade. If I had left the trade to run, it would have been a profit, but it didn't follow my trade plan, so I didn't want to, jeopardize my metrics. So this was from here to here, from where I started trading to here for the month of September. 2 wins, 3 trades, 2 losses, and 1 win. This doesn't count. But yeah, I took a trade here and it was a loss. Yes, this was a loss. As 4 trades, 3 losses, and 1 win. And then this is the fifth trade, which was a win, 4.3R. And then I'm in a trade also. This is a running trade. This is a running trade. I'm expecting a 9R on this one. So based on what we've just seen now, there is we've taken 5 trades, 3 losses, and 2 wins. My win rate is below 50%. Let's say like 30%, and that brings us to what we want to talk about today. So I see a lot of traders on YouTube talking about how you can take 1 to 1, and you need maybe, I don't know, maybe 60% win rate to be profitable, and some talk about taking 1 to 2 and you need 50%. So the thing about trading is, even how I ended up having like say 15 hour for this month. If it is real life trading that I'm trading live, the numbers will be a little bit lower. Might be 12 hour because there is commission, there is spreads, you need to calculate all those things together. and the numbers will be like maybe 12 hour, and 12 hour is very very good for a month. Even I think is an excellent result for a month. If you are risking 1%, that's 12%. If you are risking 0.5, that's 6%. If you are risking 3%, that's like 20 something percent. So depends on your risk appetite that you have for your trading. So if you're listening to traders saying and you need to make one-to-one, only one-to-one trades, only 1 to 2 trades, it's going to be very very difficult for you to make a breakthrough in trading, because those RRs are very small, and trading is so unpredictable. Because you can once you get into losing streaks, that is when um you start taking trades that do not follow your plan. You start making mistakes because your psychology is is let's say it's bad, because your emotions are getting to you now. You start taking trades that don't follow your plan, and you start making all sorts of mistakes. We are all humans, and the market is designed like that. The market does not care. Maybe you're in a winning streak or you're in a losing streak. The market will do what it wants to do, right? So it's just like I have a journal on BTC and the trades I've taken so far from August till now. The trades I would have taken in August, because I only started trading month of August with this on the last month of August. So the trades I would have taken, if I started taking trades from the beginning of August till now, it should have left me at 89R. That's like 89% if I'm risking 1%. I know this sounds too good to be true, but this is what I have in my data right now. And starting next month, which is October, I'll be taking live trades on BTC, and I'll be documenting them on my Telegram channel. I'm never consistent with Telegram or like anything channel, because I don't believe in trading community. Every trader needs to be independent. Community just slows you down and distracts you. But maybe if you guys get it to like maybe like 10 or 20, then I feel like I have an audience that is worth documenting my trading in front of them. Then I'll be updating you guys in the Telegram group. But starting next month, like I said, I'll start trading Bitcoin. So I think I should leave the 89R that I said. I should leave it in. I should put it here, maybe like an overlay or something. And also I have a running account. The live account I said I'll be trading BTCs. I'll probably get a prop challenge, and hopefully their rules will be lenient enough for me to be able to trade BTC. And I currently have a 5k account that I'm trading, right? And I'm down 2.7%. And on this account that I'm trading, that I just talked about, I've taken like maybe say 9 trades or 10 trades, and I only have one win. I'm risking 0.5% per trade. The only win I have was 3.5R, right? So if I take 10 losses, I've taken if I, I've taken 10 trades, say 10 trades. I can't remember. I'll put it on the screen too. But I've taken 10 trades with only one win. So that one win covered like 3.5 losses, right? So that would leave me at minus 6.5R if I'm not wrong, minus 6.5R. And the reason why 6.5R is not accurate to the loss I said, because if it's 6.5R, I should be around 3.3% at loss, but I'm at 2.7%. So the reason why that is because I have a way of reducing my losses. Because the last trade I took, I halved my stop loss already, which saved me a bit, because I was supposed to lose 0.5%. At the end of the day, I lost 0.25, and the trade went sideways. I could have lost 0.5, but I lost 0.25. So that's another lesson in trading. you need to learn how to reduce your losses and um, get more wins and capitalize on your wins. So that's what I'm saying about risk reward. If I take another trade now, say maybe 3 hour trade, then I'm going to um, cut my losses into half again. Do you understand that? I want this to be, I don't want to be a mentor to anybody. I'm a fellow trader like you, and I'm also on a journey to profitability. So if you're a struggling trader or a new trader, do not follow all the things they tell you on the internet. Learn from somebody, maybe a mentor. Yeah, a lot of mentors. Just don't, make sure you are not running from one place to the other, and you know apply yourself, study. Don't go jumping from one place to another, like I said earlier. So that's just it. And your win rate means nothing. Like, and I first time I bought a prop firm was in 2023, and I passed the prop firm. It was only, I only passed phase one, and I didn't pass phase two. I'm going to talk about that in another video. But when I passed the phase one, my win rate was just 33%, and I passed the phase one. So win rate means nothing. If you are striving to have a high win rate and your risk reward is very low, is you still have a lot of work to do. So if you have a high win rate, the best thing to do is have high win rates and take high risk reward trades. So that's what gets you ahead, right? So I think that's all I have for this video. Peace.